Hello and welcome to Thirtle Vs birthday burp competition.
Burp?
Yeah.
And he will be facing Super Metal 993.
Which will be on my YouTube channel, Mr. Wizard Knight.
Either way, let's go. Go on.
Right.
Yeah,
Dean
let's
is
get this
going
bit.
first.
Let's fucking do this.
Right. First up, Dean Triple D Dryden.
Who is drinking shandy? Let's hear your burp.
3,
Go.
2, 1, go! Never had him down it so quickly.
Come on.
Holy shit.
Oh, that was a good one.
That's a good one.
Is that all?
Nope. It's mine now.
Can
Half
Ryan,
clock. There's Dean's.
can
Hello,
Ryan
it's-
top it?
Can I top the height that he has burped at?
Let's find out. Go! Concentration on his face.
Super concentration.
Oh my god, he's drinking it all in one go.
Okay, your best burps that way.
You're the same, mate.
There we go.
Thank you. Now, look at Michael Bowers. Now,
Oh, sexy bass.
competition. Thank you.
What judge, Michael Bowers? Who do you think did the
burp
best?
champion.
Honestly,
Whose was the most aggressive? And loudest, obviously.
I think I'd have to go with Dean.
Fuck yeah! In your
Dean
face!
was-
In your face! In your face!
Dean's was louder. Where
Oh, I didn't.
that was basically
Tell me
what
when
yours
you want to
sounded like.
stop.
Dean
Tell me
sounded
when you want to
better.
stop. Okay?
So sorry, Ryan, but I go with Dean.
In your face!